reason why I got into this practice and the reason why I've learned so much about this topic is sort of interesting because I sit in Alabama, which is not necessarily the hotbed of left-leaning politics, obviously. And we legalized medical marijuana a couple of years ago, but by no means are we, sort of on the progressive side of legalization. But 2015 to 2017, I was involved in defending the very first case that had ever been filed in Massachusetts involving a medical marijuana cardholder and various claims that she asserted under that medical marijuana law, as well as some other claims involving things like disability discrimination, invasion of privacy, some other things. And that case ran from 2015 to 2017, like I said. And, sometimes I think we forget because of COVID, that wasn't that long ago, right? 8 years ago. And at the time when we were defending that case, the landscape of legalization laws was drastically different than it is now. And the landscape of how employers were defending those cases and the landscape of how we were testing and what we were trying to argue in terms of positive test results and what we were trying to say as the basis for terminations was just wildly different at that point. And so I guess to tie a bow around it, my practice consists very heavily of marijuana and drug testing related issues because I've sort of grown up with the topic and have lived with the topic, from the ground up. And really more importantly, I have grown up with the topic from the standpoint of the increased levels of complexities that have fallen underneath the topic of marijuana in the workplace, and frankly, sort of the very slow but steady march towards more employee-friendly laws and employee-friendly concepts in court decisions.